Hello everyone and welcome to TNV Academy. Today we are going to delve into a critical component of business continuity planning, Business Impact Analysis or BIA. It helps organizations identify and prioritize critical business functions and processes, assess the potential impact of disruptions, and determine recovery priorities. Purpose of BIA. The primary purpose of BIA is to understand the consequences of disruptions on business operations. By conducting a BIA, organizations can identify vulnerabilities, quantify potential losses, and develop strategies to minimize downtime and recover effectively. Key components of BIA. BIA typically involves several key components: identifying critical business functions and processes, determining the impact of disruptions on these functions, such as financial, operational, reputational, and regulatory impacts. Establishing recovery time objectives, RTOs, and recovery point objectives, RPOs, for each critical function. Prioritizing recovery efforts based on the criticality of functions and their dependencies. Conducting BIA. Conducting BIA involves collaboration across departments and stakeholders. It often includes gathering data through interviews, surveys, and documentation review, analyzing the collected information to assess the impact and dependencies of critical functions, documenting findings and recommendations for inclusion in the Business Continuity Plan, BCP. Benefits of BIA. The benefits of conducting a BIA are manifold: enhanced understanding of business processes and dependencies, improved risk management and decision making, prioritization of resources and investments in business continuity, minimized disruption and financial losses during emergencies, compliance with regulatory requirements and customer expectations. In conclusion, Business Impact Analysis BIA is a crucial step in business continuity planning BCP. By understanding the impact of disruptions on critical business functions, organizations can develop effective strategies to mitigate risks, ensure continuity of operations, and maintain resilience in the face of adversity. Thank you for joining us today as we explored the importance of business impact analysis in business continuity planning. Remember, proactive planning is key to resilience. Until next time, stay prepared. Thank you.